So that is actually a wrong information. In our cosmology, you don't perform Ikpu because you had a miscarriage. It is not your fault. Now, if we say that the woman that had a miscarriage should perform the rite of Ikpu, we are now saying that it is our fault that she miscarried. But that's not what you do in our culture. Now, Ikpu is done when the woman commits an abortion, a time. And the reason why she's doing that is that she needs to appease her ancestors in the chair. She needs to appease the Mother Earth. She needs to appease Umwada, the female ancestors of her lineage. And most importantly, she also needs to appease her chi. Now, she's not the only person that is going to perform this traditional rites. The man that got her pregnant is also going to, the man that got her pregnant and insisted that she has an abortion is going to do his own Ikpu. The friend or the person that pointed to the clinic or recommended the drugs for the abortion is going to perform the same traditional rites. But telling me that a woman that had a miscarriage is going to perform Ikpu,